3, 4, and stay point, don't move, point hard, stay, and relax, thank you. Okay, I need you separate, you just do your toes, only your toes. Yeah, I need sharp toes like a knife, okay? So we do one more time, I count for you, okay? 20 of them, ready? One more time. Go, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, go up, 6, good, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, go up, 5, 6, 7, yes, 8, 9, last one, 10, point, stay there, don't move, point hard, stay, and finish down. Good girls, right now stand up, okay? So right now we continue work on your foot, okay? Stand up and then follow me with the bar. Okay, with the bar. Go which way? This way. This way. No. Let's see. Yes, we go this way. Okay, so face to the bar. Okay. So we continue work on your foot. Okay, and then we work on tongue. So do you remember we do the foot, push it down and turn out, then feeling? Okay, right now we have to use your tongue feeling. Okay. So maybe I go this way, you can see better. Okay, the first position we tongue front, okay? Look at me. The heel need to push forward before you go, okay? See, I keep my first position open as much as I can, and I go down point, and then I point. So right now my foot will look nicely turned out. Don't let your toes go first, and otherwise you'll be turned in. Okay, keep your heel first, and then down point. And then point. Okay? So let's do that, and then I need you stay there, point very hard, okay? So build up your turn out muscle there. Okay, ready everybody? Let's go with me and stay. First position. Go slow, heel. Yeah, go slow, then point. Right now point your toes. Stay there. Feel an instep, okay? Instep, turn out, stay. Don't move. You don't need to worry about your stomach, nothing. Just your foot. And go through that point. Let your toes go back first. And the first position, you don't need to worry about anything else but your foot. Ready? Heel forwards. Then point. And point. Stay, don't move. Stay. Okay, follow me, okay? Stay here. Right now, then point, bend your knee. Keep your heel forwards. Right now, we push your heel forwards. Stay the position. Let your heel push forward. You cannot do like that. Keep push your heel. And up. And then we do to the side. Ready? Same thing. Heel forwards. To the side. Then point. Point your toes. Keep heel forwards. Okay, go this way. Heel forwards. And go then point. Back to first. We do it again. Ready? Go. Heel push forwards. Then point. And point your toes. Stay there. Don't move. Straighten your knee. Right now, keep your heel forwards, okay? So, keep your heel forwards and then bend. Push, keep this position. Okay, keep this position. Beautiful. And up. And first, we do our side leg, exactly same. We go slow. 1, you don't need to worry about your hip. Just make your toes point. And turn out. Stay there. Don't move. Don't move. And back. We do one more time. Fully focus on your foot. Heel go first. Then point. Point your toes. Stay there. Don't move. Point hard. Hard. Get ready. Push heel forward. Bend. Push forward. Keep your heel forward. Stay there. Feel your 5 toes on the floor. Stay. And up. First, we do to the side, okay? Ready? Heel push forward. Then point. And point. Stay. Keep heel forward. Yes. Point hard. And back. We do one more time. 1. And point. Point very hard. Stay. Don't move. Yes, beautiful, Vanessa. Okay, good, Peggy. Right now, go push heel forward. Stay. Feel the 5 toes on the floor. Don't move. And up. Good. Right now, we do 1 plie. Stay the plie. Feel the heel stretched. Stay there. Stay there. And up. Okay, relax. Relax. Okay, relax. Okay, listen girls, this is special, okay? I don't care your hip. Even you turn you like this, I don't care. I want you fully focus on your toes. This is all about your toes, okay? Really make your nice turn out muscle, okay? That's the only thing I want. Right now, we work on the toes. You just stay, turn you to the side, then point. And then you start go. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? We will do 20 of them. Each of them, you gotta point very hard. And point very hard, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. 1, 2, 3. Point your toes hard. 4. Make it strong. Feel it. Feel it. 4 more. 1, 2. Heel forward. 3, 4. And plie. Stay the plie. Feel the stretch. Give it a moment. And up. Okay? We do our side. Okay, ready? We do our side. Turn you to the side. And toes. 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 Beautiful.